Today's topic is to delete the elements between the given range. There are two methods to do that. First is with the naive approach, and the second method is using the list.append function. Let's start from the first method. So here what we're going to do is we are going to take the input from the user for the elements of the array and following back to the range between where to where you want to delete the elements. So here what I've done is we are taking the input from the user for the array and then we are splitting them if there is a space between them, and then we are storing those values using the map and converting it into the list. Same goes for the range between them, and after that we are finding the length of our array, and then we are calling the function delete which have been passed by the arguments which is array, the lower limit of the range and the upper limit of the range, and the length of our array. Here I have tends to g is tends to 0. So what this function does is it's going to override our array if the condition is if I is less than or equal to the lower limit of the range, or it is greater than or equal to the upper limit of the range. If this is possible, then it's going to override the array, and then we are incrementing the value, and then we are returning the j and then storing it in the m. After that, in terms of the output, we are using a for loop for an output. Here I have used the and just to show that it doesn't create a new line each and every time when this print statement get executed. As you can see it over here, we have entered the up to 1 to 9 numbers and the range is between 3 to 7. So the 4 to the 6 elements over here, they are get deleted. We cannot use the term deleted because we are overwriting the values, so we have overwrite each and every value except this between range over here, and then we are storing those values in the m, and then we are printing it over here.